apple, shiny and red. Crunch it for breakfast before you're fed. B is for banana, long and bright. Peel it down, take a bite. C is for cherry, round and small. Red little jewels that bounce and fall. D is for dragon fruit, spotted and sweet. Pink on the outside, inside the tree. E is for elderberry, purple and fun. Made into syrup when the day is done. F is for fig, soft and round. Grows on a tree close to the ground. G is for grapes hanging in a row. Green, red or purple, they grow and grow. H is for honeydew, mellow and cool. Perfect to eat by the swimming pool. I is for Indian fig, cactus fruit, spiky outside, inside's cute. J is for jackfruit, giant and grand, the biggest fruit in all the land. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. Scoop it with a spoon, it's fresh and clean. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Add some sugar, it tastes just right. M is for mango, golden delight. Juicy and sweet, what a bite. N is for nectarine, smooth like a peach. A snack that's always within reach. O is for orange, full of cheer. Peel the skin, the juice is near. P is for pineapple, spiky and tall. Slice it up and share with all. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. Cook it up with loving care. R is for raspberry, soft and red. Tiny and sweet on the bread. S is for strawberry, juicy and bright. With cream on top, it's a lovely sight. T is for tangerine, easy to peel. A citrus fruit with great appeal. U is for ugly fruit, not so cute, but inside it's a tasty fruit. Let's sing the alphabet, fruity and fun. Tasty and healthy for everyone. From A to Z, what fruits we see. Come and sing along with me. U is for ugly fruit, not so cute, but inside it's a tasty fruit. V is for vanilla bean, long and thin, flavoring treats from deep within. W is for watermelon, big and round, red inside and picnic bound. X is for tigua from far away, a Chinese melon for a summer day. Y is for yum, berry tart and red, a burst of flavor in every thread. Z is for zucchini, yes it's true, a sneaky green fruit, good for you. Let's sing the alphabet, fruity and fun, tasty and healthy for everyone. From A to Z, what fruits we see. Come and sing along with me.